Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week. I'm back at Aldi. I have a very busy holiday week, and that means that my cooking at home is less than normal, just like a few weeks ago. So later this week I have 3 family Christmases, and I'm just bringing a dish to each of them, and that just takes some of the dinner burden off my plate. So I only have 4 meals on my meal plan, and we're gonna get as much as we can from my pantry. Let's get in the store, see what we get, and then I'm going to share with you my meal plan at the end. I also went to our local Asian restaurant supply store and got a few ingredients there, so you'll see that at the end as well. Let's go. White bread pita, $2.99 for Elsie's lunches. Okay, 95 cents, white bread, toast, peanut butter sandwiches. Navel oranges, $4.89. Blueberries, easy lunch edition, $2.49. Grapefruit, $5.59. Green onions, 85 cents. Asparagus, $2.89. Brussels sprouts, also $2.89. Actually, no, I'm gonna get green beans instead of Brussels sprouts. Last minute change. Okay, Gala apples, a 3-pound bag for $3.49, so we'll get these. 2% milk, $2.78. $2.95 for whipped cream, hot chocolate staple. Cream cheese for fruit dip later this week, $1.59. 4 things of butter at $2.99 each for holiday baking. Can't pass up butter at this price. Thanks, Aldi. I'm gonna get 2 avocados, 79 cents. Peanut butter, $3.59. That'd be a fun gift. It's just too pretty, $7.49. 3 energy drinks for my hubby, $1.19 each. Juice boxes, the only ones my son likes, $2.79. He loves these. We have this, the holiday New Year's Eve pack from a few years ago, but I purposely didn't get one of the year so I can use it every year. I love these robes. It's like a robe towel, really cute. Very soft pajamas, $12.99. Slipper socks, travel goodies. Oh, my daughter actually wanted one of these for her hair. $8.99. Perfect, I love that card game. Retro arcade games, that's kind of cool. Color block sweaters, those are pretty. Robes, very lightweight. Ice bucket. Toys, games, lots of items. Lots of repeats now. I'm making rice packs and I ran out of rice, so I'm gonna get 3 bags of these to make more gifts. They're perfect for kids with sore legs or sore anything. Cumin, 99 cents. Whee! And we're having crunch wraps this week, $1.95. I'm pretty sure I still have tostada shells, but if I don't, I'd be mad. So I'm gonna get these, $1.99. And if we have other ones open, I'll use those and save these for another time. I meant to check before I came. So from afar, I was excited. There was lots of chicken, but none of its breast. I guess I'm gonna get a family pack because it seems like the best value at $2.89 a pound versus $3.99 a pound. I feel like at this point I need a song. Holiday meats, come to the end to get your holiday meats. Not very catchy at the end there. Oh, there's lamb. I haven't seen lamb before. Bacon wrapped scallops, lots of pizzas, the shaped pizzas, shrimp, spaghetti, the cranberry feta, avocado chunks. Oh, the Christmas trees are cute. Lots of fun things. Shredded cheddar, $3.49. Roasted garlic hummus, $2.45. Oh my goodness, It's a Christmas miracle. They have various flavors again. Of course, there's no tangerine, the one that my husband really loves, but personally, I'm excited that there's plain. I'm gonna get that. And I think I'm going to get blackberry. Jenga. $3.85 each. Aldi's really showing up for me today. I'm able to get 6 of these plain. Woo-hoo. 78 cents each. $1.98 chocolate syrup. Yum, not getting that, but it looks good. One of the Christmases we're just having chips and salsa. I'm gonna get 3 bags of these so I have enough for the party and for when we have tostadas this week. $2.29 each. Okay, I'm making fried rice. I wanted just peas and carrots, but I guess they don't have it. So I'm gonna get cauliflower rice and then mixed vegetables. And I'm gonna cut my rice with cauliflower rice. Just don't tell my family. Vanilla ice cream, $6.19. That is not inexpensive anymore. Holy moly. Clearance end cap. Do I need anything? No. Am I tempted? Kind of. Cute. Walking away. Here is my cart. Any guesses on the total? I will be coming back later this week to get fruit and veggies for my veggie trays, but I just want to get it fresh before the party. Okay, everything was $122.68. I love coming to Pacific Rim for a few of the staples that I use in Asian dishes, including rice vinegar and garlic chili paste. That's what I had to come here for today, and they upsold me with pork buns at the register. They were freshly made, and I just couldn't say no. Our week of meals, we're having Crunch Wraps, the Taco Bell copycat. We'll have chips, salsa. I'm gonna cut up avocado with that. Really simple, everyone can make their own. We'll have General Tso's chicken. This will be homemade. My husband requested this. I'm gonna make vegetarian, egg-free fried rice for my daughter, so she obviously won't have the chicken. I'll also have the pork buns that I bought at the checkout lane of the Asian restaurant store called Pacific Rim. They looked delicious, and they're very authentic and homemade, so I couldn't pass those up. My husband also requested Grandpa's Special this week. This is a recipe of his late grandpa. He has always enjoyed it, and now it's a family favorite. It's a very breakfasty type meal, 1 skillet dinner served with toast. Old-fashioned noodle soup. Actually, this is one of his grandmother's recipe, who is married to this grandpa. They're both passed, but it'll be a nice little Moravic recipe week. My husband requested that as well. I have Rhodes rolls in the freezer I'll make. We have some late nights this week. Like, my daughter has a 6:45 doctor's appointment. Lots going on. So we're taking it really easy with the carry-out pizza. For family gatherings this weekend, as I mentioned, we have 3 of them in a 2-day period. I'm bringing fresh fruit and vegetables, and then also chips and salsa. Very simple things. All of the older adults are handling the heavy lifting, so yay. And then we are also making gingerbread cookies. My husband makes those. I don't, to be honest, even know what recipe he's using. I'll try to add that if I can get it from him before the video goes live. And then I'm making sugar cookies, and I'm gonna make icing that we can use to decorate both of these. So thank you, Aldi, for having butter on sale, because you made it a little less expensive. And if you're interested in seeing how we make Grandpa's Special, it is a very simple, family-friendly meal. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.